If you're anything like me, you've probably clicked this video because you're a freelancer wanting to scale and make more money. Or maybe you've just started out and want to take back your freedom by making money online. And that means only working just a couple hours a day and making more money than ever. But there's one problem: beating the competition. With so many other freelancers in this space, in every niche, charging absurdly low prices, it can be really tough to get your first few clients and get the ball rolling. However, as someone who's made over 10K per month in my first 3 months of starting my freelance business, and over $100,000 total in my first 9 months, I'm here to tell you that you can absolutely beat the competition. So the question changes from can you beat the competition to how can I beat the competition? And that's exactly what I'm going to tell you in this video. So put away your phone, get out your notepad, because I'm going to tell you exactly how I managed to get to 20K per month without having to worry about the competition whatsoever. The first step to beating competition as a freelancer is to stand out and be different. And this doesn't mean doing anything weird or any antics, stunts, etc. for attention, but really just building a personal brand and documenting your journey. And you might have heard this advice before, but it's because it really does make a big difference. Most freelancers compete on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, and you might do okay at times, but in reality, you're battling in competition with low prices, low quality, and you're dealing with low quality clients. What you want to do instead is get on social media and actually share your journey, the things you're working on, and proof that you're good at what you do. For me, my journey started on Twitter, and through documenting my whole journey through there, I was no longer Mike, the guy that sold landing pages, but I was Mike from Casually Convert, who quit his 9-to-5 to go all in on freelancing, and now makes a killing for others with his landing page agency. I'd still recommend Twitter to this day just because of how high value people and clients are actually on there. You want to share your story and actually tell people every day about your wins and losses of your journey. A good action plan to follow is 3 tweets per day. 2 can be very actionable tips that display expertise, just like this one, whilst your 3rd tweet could be about your progress and what you actually did today. If you want to take it a step further, you can actually make a thread for this and label it something like 60-day challenge of growing my freelance business to 5K per month. These tend to do extremely well, and they don't only just bring you followers, they bring you potential clients as well. If you do these tweets daily, along with 2 to 3 threads per week and 1 auto DM per week, you'll have 2,000 followers within the first month. Let's break this down even further. That will get you approximately 5 booked calls. And if you close 2 of them and charge 1.5K per client, that's $3,000 you've just made in your first month. Personal brand will set you apart from everyone else trying to sell their service. And through displaying competence online, you'll even find people sending you referrals. But a personal brand does take time to convert, especially in the beginning. So the second step to beating your competition as a freelancer is to do free work. Now, this may not be what you're expecting and might even sound counterintuitive, but you need to understand that the majority of business owners are receiving countless DMs every single day. Everyone from good pitches, crappy pitches, and everything in between. So the point here, if you send them good free work, you'll not only stand out from the competition, but you'll build goodwill and trust on top of that. What you want to do is create a list of 100 people that you actually want to work with. Now, you don't want to be sending DMs to people that can't afford your service. So vet them to make sure they have actual case studies and actually get clients through their social media. You don't need to specifically search up 100 different people. Once you find 1 or 2 people, you can go through the people that they follow and vet them very quickly this way. What you want to do next is DM 5 of these people every single day. You're going to provide them with a free piece of work. Don't be the guy that says I'll make you something for free and then will only send it once they reply. So if you're a copywriter, send them an improved email from what they've just sent to their email list. If you're a video editor, you can make them a free clip from their YouTube video. Having the free work sent in the beginning will build a ton of goodwill. Now, when they see that DM that you've sent them and that free piece of work, when they go to your social media page and they see your personal brand, it's adding just more and more trust every single post that they see. From there, all you need to do is actually get them on a call and pitch your services. 9 times out of 10, they'll actually buy because you've separated yourself from the other hundreds or thousands of freelancers that are pitching them every day and giving no value upfront. Finally, the last thing you want to do to beat the competition is have a no-brainer offer, which basically means instead of just offering your services, you should offer the result that your service will gain for the client. So, for example, to simplify this down, if you're offering landing pages, don't just offer the landing page, but offer an increase on their conversion rate. If you're a ghostwriter, don't just offer ghostwriting for the client, offer an increase in followers and leads. By doing this, you will smash the competition that are too afraid to offer this end result. You'll build up tons of testimonials and case studies from this. That makes more people confident to work with you. And once again, you're beating the competition by doing all of this. By doing all these 3 things right, you're not only beating the competition, but also making really, really good money and building your brand. This will help you forever, and with consistency, you'll be seen as one of the authorities inside your niche and that go-to person, which is crucial for long-term success. Now, if you want to know how to actually sign high-ticket clients that stay with you for the long run, you should subscribe below, like this video, and keep an eye out for the next video I'm going to be dropping. I'm going to teach you exactly the process on how to do this. And if you want to sign 3 to 10 high-ticket clients yourself in the next 180 days, check the link below in the description. You can book a free call with me and see if you're a good fit for my program, where I mentor people one-to-one and help them achieve these results. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.